Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing the clip that uses a clean green or blue backdrop. This gives Alight Motion the best color separation. Once added, tap the plus and insert a media layer for your subject, then position it above any replacement background. Make sure the clip is trimmed and the project resolution is at least 720p so edges calculate precisely. Because Alight Motion samples pixels, higher quality reduces artifacts. Now move to Effects to isolate the chroma color for removal. You now add keying then chroma key to the subject layer. Select the eyedropper and tap the background color to capture the exact hue. After sampling, increase tolerance slowly until the background disappears, then reduce artifacts with softness and spill suppression. This removes color bleed on hair and edges. If edges look harsh, use choke to contract the matte and edge softness to feather it. Use layer masks to manually exclude stubborn areas. Keep previewing frame by frame for complex motion. With the matte cleaned, add your replacement background beneath the subject and align scale and position to match perspective. If both move, keyframe translation and scale so they sync. Once done, check edges on highlighted frames and adjust spill suppression again to neutralize residual green or blue. If fringe remains, resample a slightly different hue or paint a soft mask around problem areas and animate it. Troubleshooting tip: when color shifts under changing light, resample per scene or rotoscope those segments for reliable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.